Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Today is Monday. My name is Jorge and welcome to my channel. This is my Pontiac G8 GT. It's been pro-charged and it is ready to go fast. But before we can go fast, we got to address some issues. In the previous vlogs, you guys might have also seen where I talked about the transmission shifter linkage bushing needing to be replaced. Well, I have got that part in, and I'm also going to be replacing it right now because later on today we're going to the dyno, guys. We're finally going to the dyno. We're going to find out what this car can make, and hopefully it makes over 700. But for now, let's go ahead and get that transmission shifter linkage set up. Alright guys, so here are the two parts. This is the little bushing that goes into the transmission linkage, and this is the grommet that goes in the upper shifter linkage. And so this just slides in here and creates a nice little lock-in press, but this has to get replaced. If not, your transmission shifter could end up potentially getting loose if you've taken out or removed the transmission. They are one-time use only. So, alright guys, so just finished it up, and check this out. So this was the older bushing, and as you can see, I had to break a few tabs, but they actually didn't have the outer ring that held in place when pushed in here. It didn't have this outer ring, and that's why it could just slide in and out. The new one now has that, and let me show you guys. Hopefully there's some good light in the bottom, but let's go down in here. Ugh. But there you guys can see this bushing now has this outer ring pushing against the rubber grommet, so this cannot pop out. Basically what they do is, to remove this, they just break this whole piece off and then they just slide it back in. But with that, there's no way it's gonna get loose. So that's fixed, guys. Well, we fixed the bushing. Transmission should be nice and firm now, and now its car is ready to go to the dyno. So I'm really excited. What's going on, guys? It's time to get on the dyno. We're on our way to Victoria, about a 2-hour drive. Hopefully the car does good. Everything's looking good. All the gauges are good, so wish us luck. Of course, obviously can't make a little drive without pumping some gas in the car. Did a full little walkthrough, and everything looks good. It's ready. I hope that it makes some good power. Hopefully it makes 700, and it has some gas in it, so I guess we'll see how much it takes, but the car is ready. Alright guys, we made it here to Pat G's dyno. Got the car cooling off. Hopefully get some good numbers. So we're gonna pull this car in, and then Pat will start playing with it, dynoing it, and we'll see what it does. But got it right now, sitting in the shade, letting it cool off. This thing is definitely still pretty hot, so we'll see. Hopefully I can hit 700. Well, she's on the dyno. Nice and cool. Hopefully make some good power. We'll see. First little test pass. round number 2. Well, here's the graph. Oof. There you go, guys. That's what it made. 684. That was right before it blew the big coupler off. Well, guys, we finally made it back home. As you can see, the car is in one piece. Whew, it's been a long afternoon, but I'm excited. The car ran great. It's doing exactly what we expected to be doing, and made some great power, and even better, it actually did it with less boost, if you can imagine that. So the car peaked out at about 13 pounds of boost. 13 pounds of boost is what the car did, and that was at about 6,500 RPM. It is now going to be running 13 pounds of boost unless I decide to pulley down, which I have the pulleys there to do so. The car made 685 before blowing up and popping off one of my couplers. It was just amazing. But man, it was great. The car is amazing. It runs great. Everything's working properly the way it should. And I can't wait to get out and try it at the track. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, just a little recap. We fixed the little transmission bushing linkage. We drove all the way to Victoria. Pat G did his magic on the laptop, got me set up. The car put down 685 horsepower, 550 pound-feet of torque, and it is just a blast to drive. I drove it over there, drove it back, had zero issues, which is something, it's crazy I could say that, but the car was just amazing. It ran great, shifting great, and if you like what you see, please like, comment down below, subscribe, everything, guys. I cannot wait to get this thing to the track so that I can make a few passes and really find out what it's going to do at the quarter mile. Hopefully that'll come up soon in the next few videos. But until next time, hope you guys have a great one, have a good day, a good evening, and always stay happy, always smile, and hopefully you guys keep watching all my future videos so I can show you guys exactly what this car will do. So until next one, guys, you guys have a good one.